हाँ जी, जय हिंद एवरीवन। मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ एक बार फिर से। आज यार आप लोगों के साथ एक बहुत ही बड़ी खुशखबरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। जैसा कि आप लोगों के साथ हाल ही में मैंने आप शेयर करी थी एक इन्फॉर्मेशन कि सक्षम पांडे जो कि हमारा स्टूडेंट है वो रिकमेंडेड हुआ था एनडीए एंट्री के लिए। ठीक है जी। सो फाइनली वो जो है हमारे पास एसएसबी गाइड डिफेंस एकेडमी दिल्ली के अंदर आया है एंड हमारे लोगों से मिलने आया। पूरे टीचर्स जो इसके साथ थे जिन्होंने इस पूरी जर्नी के अंदर उसका पूरा साथ दिया था उनके साथ मिलकर बेसिकली अपनी है जो खुशी बांटना चाहता था। तो सक्षम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। कैसा फील कर रहे हो आप?
थैंक यू सर। काफ़ी अच्छा फील हो रहा है आप लोगों से दोबारा मिलके ऑफलाइन के बाद सीधा एकेडमी आके सर मिलके अच्छा लगा काफ़ी।
ठीक है। सो अब जो है कृष्णमूर्ति सर थोड़ा सा इसका एक बातचीत करेंगे उसके साथ और आप लोगों के साथ भी बातचीत करेंगे ताकि आप लोगों को जो है इसकी जर्नी के बारे में पता चल सके एंड आप भी मोटिवेटेड फील करें बिकॉज अगर सक्षम कर सकता है तो आप लोग भी यहाँ पर हो सकते हो। ठीक है सर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, Saksham, first of all, congratulations to you
Thank you,
for
sir.
joining, going to join 151 course for the NDA.
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
So, everybody, Saksham Pandey ka journey from the written examination to SSB coaching, to finally getting medical में clear होके now finally standing here as a successful candidate and now really going to go and join NDA 151 course in the starting of January. So, Saksham, tell all our viewers, especially the prospective candidates who are going to come for SSB coaching, how did you start your journey right from the time when you came to SSB Guide Academy, Arpit Sir's Academy, and how did you think about joining the written coaching? Who were your mentors, especially who are the teachers in the written who were responsible for you to crack such a prestigious written examination?
Sir, in the starting when I was in class 12th, so I opted the Sankal batch of Arpit sir, but for the 2 times I am unable to clear the examination because of the low practice. So after that I decided to go for the offline classes in the Ambala sir. So I do my registration and went there. And there are my teachers like Arpit sir, Praveen sir, Kartikeya sir, Sunny sir, and there Kanika ma'am, Radhika ma'am, and Shweta ma'am. These were the teachers that was available over there, and Gauri ma'am was also present over there, from whom I take the classes of the written. And thereafter I also do solve all the DPPs and the mock test and all the materials given by the teachers there. And after that I clear my examination, sir.
So बच्चों, many people, especially today also students जो हमारे यहाँ पे रिटर्न कोचिंग चल रहा है एसएसबी गाइड डिफेंस एकेडमी जनकपुरी में, पूछते हैं कि व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर गेटिंग द गोइंग इनटू द मेरिट इन होने के लिए, स्पेशली इन हाउ मच मार्क्स यू आर सपोज टू गेट इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड इन जीएटी, एंड व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ क्रैकिंग द मैथमेटिक्स एग्जामिनेशन?
So for the mathematics examination, for getting the merit in, first of all, good score in the NDA written examination is required. So for that, mathematics play a major role because it is of 300 marks. So for that, according to me, we have to cover the whole syllabus completely so that we can do easy question of all the subjects. After that, with the consistent practice and the hard work, we can also solve the difficult question that was coming in the examination, sir. And for the GAT portion, sir, we just need to solve the follow the notes given by our teacher and also solve the questions that was available in our classes, and also DPPs was provided to us. So by this we can create a good score in the NDA written, sir. And also for getting merit in SSB play a major role. So for that, good score in the SSB also is required, sir.
एंड सो बच्चे जनरली पूछते हैं कि फॉर रिटन एग्जामिनेशन कितने महीने पहले प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है? नाउ अभी जैसे रिटन एग्जामिनेशन का रिजल्ट्स हैव कम, तो उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट रिटन एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बच्चे सब सपोज पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू क्लियर देन, कितने महीने पहले आके कोचिंग एसएसबी गाइड में ज्वाइन करना है?
I cleared my examination in the September. Thereafter, I just directly go for the SSB just after 1 month of the return exams declared. Thereafter, sir, taking coaching, I do practice. So according to me, 1 month is the enough time to go for the coaching, sir.
Okay.
After the results.
Okay. Do you feel that in the written coaching, how much is the preferences for online batches and how much is for offline? यहाँ पे आके क्लास में कितना स्टूडेंट्स आके यहाँ पे प्रिपेयर करना है?
So if we are on the online, so it is our responsibility to do the practice of all the questions. But I don't feel like I am unable to give the full time for the practice. So if in the offline there is a pressure on us, like if we don't do the questions and not solve the DPP, the teachers were there in the classes that can do whatever he want. So for that we have to solve the DPPs and the question. So in offline it is a favorable thing, sir.
Okay.
And there is a one-to-one mentorship also in the offline. We can ask our doubt freely and very easily to the teacher, sir. Like in our academy, Praveen sir is available to us for whole night, like around 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning. He was in the room and solving the doubts of all the students, sir. So it is a good thing.
देखो बच्चों, अब टीचर्स जो एसएसबी गाइड डिफेंस एकेडमी में हैं, दे आर हियर, आपके साथ ही रहते हैं थ्रू आउट द डे एंड इवन इन द इवनिंग ऑल्सो. सो जब क्लासेस आपका सुबह खत्म हो जाता है तो आपका एक ऑन सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन का जो टाइम होती है उसमें टीचर्स आर विथ यू. एंड ये अगर आपको कहीं ना कहीं भी क्लास में कुछ भी चीज़ें समझ नहीं आती है, स्पेशली टॉपिक्स, डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक्स इन मैथमेटिक्स, जैसे सक्षम इज टेलिंग, प्रवीण सर आते हैं, आप लोग को गाइड करते हैं हाउ टू गो अबाउट छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ऑल. एंड इवन अर्पित सर शाम को मैं देखता हूँ कभी कभी 8:30 9 o'clock तक यहाँ एकेडमी में रहते हैं एंड बच्चों को काफ़ी कुछ मदद करते हैं. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बच्चों यहाँ पे एकेडमी में. टीचर्स आर विथ यू थ्रू आउट द नाइट एंड डे ऑल्सो. तो आपका प्रिपरेशन में, स्ट्रैटेजी में आपको बहुत अच्छा होता है. नो सक्षम, एक और चीज़ था, जीएटी पोर्शन में काफ़ी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, तो विच सब्जेक्ट यू थिंक शुड बी जिसमें जोर ज़्यादा देना है, जिस सब्जेक्ट में थोड़ा कम देना है, स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे जीएटी के लिए?
Sir, I belong from the science background, so I give more focus over the science and the English portion. And in the GS part, sir, I just do the geography, polity, and sir current affair. By this, I focus on the GAT, sir, and major focus on in English and the science, sir.
Okay. So who were the teachers who contributed to your success, especially in polity, history, geography, and in GS also, and even in English also?
Sir, in the polity, the Sunny sir, Kartikeya sir, and like in the offline, sir Jitesh sir also there. And in the English, sir, I just follow Dheeraj sir blindly, sir. The notes of the Dheeraj sir and the practice session was sufficient to get a good marks in the English portion, sir. And in the science, sir, I follow the classes and revise the notes only.
That's very good, bachcho. So you have a first-hand information from our recommended candidate Saksham as to what is the strategy for the written examination. Now let us come to the SSB part. तो बच्चों, SSB part is very very important. आपका planning बहुत important है before you go for the SSB. Like Saksham will tell you. Saksham, tell our viewers how did you tackle the phase 1, that is the screening part, which is considered to be very important आजकल.
Sir, for that, first of all, for the OIR test, I do the practice from some PDF available on the internet, and thereafter I do practice with my friends on the Google Meet and the other online sessions for the screening, like for the PPDT and the GD, sir. And by the practice and sir, good knowledge on the OIR, sir, screening will become easier, sir. And for the screening part, sir, narration and the GD is important, so I focus more over my narration and do practice of the GD, sir.
That's very nice. So practice बच्चों is very important for the SSB. जो हम यहाँ पे SSB गाइड डिफेंस एकेडमी में आप लोगों को बोलते हैं कि नॉट ओनली आपको हम इंट्रोडक्शन कराते हैं फेज 1 में, बट उसका रिपीटेड प्रैक्टिस यहाँ पे हम 9 to 10 प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं सेशन में. एंड दिस प्रैक्टिस, एज Saksham हैज टोल्ड यू, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टैकलिंग द फेज 1. तो Saksham, टेल योर व्यूवर्स, जो बच्चे अभी आपका प्रोस्पेक्टिव आपको देख रहे हैं, एज टू हाउ डिड यू टैकल द GTO पोर्शन. आपका कौन सा टास्क में यू फेल्ट डिफिकल्टी एंड हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दैट?
Sir, for GTO part, I think if we don't go to any coaching, so it won't help in the GTO, because when we go to our any of the coaching, so we get the exposure of the GTO. And also, like when we went to the coaching, so for there we do the GD, GP and the other indoor activities, and also for the outdoor activity, the assessors over there were helping us, and they improved on us, like they give the feedback and all, sir.
बच्चों, यहाँ पे हम आपको बता देते हैं कि we have such a very big ब्यूटीफुल GTO ग्राउंड यहाँ पे हमारा अवेलेबल है, where many स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे काफ़ी प्रैक्टिस करे हैं and they have been successful in that. GTO सर भी वहाँ पे रहते हैं. And Saksham, tell our viewers, how did you tackle the interview? Like I myself have an interviewing officer and यहाँ पे हम बहुत कड़क इंटरव्यू कराते हैं. That means very tough इंटरव्यू कराते हैं to make you feel tough mentally and you can answer questions there. So how did you tackle interview and what are the questions which I had posed you here in the training which helped you there?
Sir, for interview, first of all, I fill my PIQ form and go through it twice and thrice. Thereafter, I decided that this question can be made over my PIQ. So I write down all the questions and thereafter answers of that. And after that, I do read the questions again and again so that it will become familiar to me. And also, sir, like for the co-curricular and the sports, sir, I gain the knowledge about that, the rules and all the things which is required for that. And by this way, sir, interview become easy, sir.
Okay. How did you study about the general awareness, general knowledge, current affairs portions for the interview, and what were the materials which you gathered from them?
Sir, firstly, when we are preparing for the NDA written examination, so the basic current affair come from there. Thereafter, for the SSB portion, sir, I follow some YouTube channels like Study IQ World Affair on the YouTube, and also, sir, sometimes we also read newspapers which help in the GD and the lecture itself.
That's very nice, very nice. Your preparation was really very good. So, बच्चों, military affairs also lot of questions are asked in military knowledge and all. So, where do you get the military knowledge the insight and the inputs for preparation for interview?
Sir, I just googled about the military knowledge. Like when I am going for the Air Force, I study about all the aircraft available in the India and also available in the neighboring countries of the India. And when I go for the army, sir, like I am opting for the armored corps. I say in the interview. So for that, I prepared everything about the armored corps, like the tanks and also, sir, PVCs from the armored regiment and all from the Google, and sir, some books was also available over the internet and the other materials, sir.
That's very nice. बच्चों, जैसे Saksham has told you, you should not confine yourself to only one area. Like if you are going for Air Force, you should not only prepare for Air Force, you should prepare for Army also, for Navy also. Because NDA is a tri-services organization, and in the interview, you are supposed to know little bit basics about all the three. And for that, Google is the best source of information, including Wikipedia also. Okay, बच्चों. And Saksham, tell the viewers, how did you tackle the difficult parts of WAT, TAT? ये कैसे टैकल करे थे, and how did you practice that?
Sir, I practice some sets which is available on the YouTube for the psych practice, like the TAT, WAT. I just Google on the YouTube like TAT sets, practice sets, and I practice with my friends. Thereafter, we also discuss about the stories which I am making, my friends are making. We just share our opinion, and sometimes for the difficult word you ask, for that we also like write 2 or 3 sentences over that difficult word.
Okay.
Me with my friends, sir, that helped me in the WAT.
बच्चों, whenever you're preparing for any SSB related, apart from coaching, you should have some friend circles with whom you can practice whatever is your shortcoming. Practice makes you perfect, बच्चों. And lastly, Saksham, what were the questions which they asked you in conference? Because that is supposed to be a very difficult thing, and people generally, stumble and fumble in the conference.
Sir, this time in the NDA SSB, sir, they just asked me how was the food stay, and they said that you are coming this again like 6th time. So what are the changes that you made? And after that, they said you can go.
Okay.
Only this much.
So how was your, what did you feel when you heard your name as being recommended candidate after getting, conferenced out so many number of times?
Sir, for this time in the NDA SSB, I am a little bit confident that I will make it because my whole procedure went in the interview, sir, in the GTO, my performance was good. So there is some expectation, but sir, I don't expect that my chest number come very much earlier, because in the Bangalore, sir, they are in a alphabetical, like in the ascending order. So they say chest number 3. After that, I am supposing that 1 or 2 more come. Thereafter, they just come over me, like chest number 3, chest number 10. And sir, I am not ready to go upward in front of the assessors, because I am taking my bag and shifting it. And then after my name come, I go there and I say my name, and they say come back side, sir.
Very nice. Congratulations, Saksham, once more on a really very good performance. And from all the assessors, Arpit sir, Karthik sir at SSB Guide Academy, we wish you all the best in NDA, bachcho.
Thank you, sir.
And bachcho, let me also tell you about our forthcoming batches which are coming. 11 July is the next batch which is starting at SSB Guide for SSB. So 10th will be the reporting date, and the link which is given in the description box. Please click the link, and also uske baad the next batch hai, that is on 27 bachcho. So with that, thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.